Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. In today's video, we are diving into a realm where tradition meets modern style. Folklore inspired fashion, these outfits bring a touch of the past into the present, combining intricate designs, vibrant colors, and timeless silhouettes to create looks that are both culturally rich and fashion forward. If you love clothing that tells a story, these folklore inspired pieces are perfect for you. Let's explore how to dress to impress with folklore fashion. Embroidery is a cornerstone of folklore fashion, representing centuries of tradition and craftsmanship. Dresses adorned with floral motifs, intricate patterns, and colorful threads capture the essence of different cultures. To make a statement, choose a dress with bold, intricate embroidery on a neutral base. Pair it with simple accessories to let the details shine, and opt for natural makeup to complete the look. Folklore fashion is all about embracing bold patterns and mixing them in unexpected ways, whether it's paisley, floral, or geometric designs. These patterns tell a story of their own. Don't be afraid to mix and match different prints within your outfit. For example, pair a patterned skirt with a contrasting top or add a patterned shawl to a solid dress. The key is to balance the colors and sizes of the patterns for a cohesive look. Bohemian style and folklore fashion often go hand in hand with their shared love for free spirited designs and earthy tones. Incorporate boho elements like flowing silhouettes, fringe, and tassels into your folklore inspired outfits. A flowing maxi dress with folklore embroidery and boho accessories like a wide brimmed hat or layered necklaces creates a look that's effortlessly chic and perfect for any occasion. One of the most striking aspects of folklore fashion is its use of vibrant colors. From rich reds and deep blues to sunny yellows and lush greens, these hues are often inspired by nature and cultural heritage. To create a folklore inspired outfit, choose pieces in these bold colors and pair them with neutral accessories. For instance, a bright red folklore dress paired with beach sandals and a woven bag can create a balanced and eye catching ensemble. Folklore fashion often features traditional silhouettes that have been worn for generations. Think of a lined dress, high waisted skirts, and billowing sleeves that have graced the wardrobes of women across various cultures. These silhouettes are not only timeless but also incredibly flattering. To bring these traditional shapes into a modern context, choose pieces with subtle folklore designs like lace trims, embroidered bodices, or gathered waists. These details add a touch of history to a contemporary outfit. Layering is the key component of folklore fashion, allowing you to mix textures and add depth to your outfit. Shawls, scarves, and vests are perfect for this purpose. A brightly colored shawl draped over your shoulder or a vest with detailed embroidery can instantly elevate a simple dress. Experiment with different fabrics like wool, cotton, and silk to create a rich layered look that's perfect for any season. Footwear plays a crucial role in folklore fashion with traditional styles like woven sandals, leather boots, and embroidered flats, making a strong statement. To modernize your folklore inspired outfit, consider pairing these traditional shoes with more contemporary pieces. For example, wear a piece of leather boots with a folklore dress for a rustic yet polished look, or opt for embroidered flats with cropped jeans and folklore inspired top for a casual yet stylish outfit. When it comes to accessories, folklore fashion embraces bold and meaningful pieces. Think large colorful earrings. Thank you for joining us on Luna Fashion and Beauty, and we hope you found plenty of inspiration for your folklore dress to impress outfits. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion tips and inspiration.